Welcome to Bree's Bungalow.
One.
Welcome to Bree's Bungalow. Today we're doing science.
We're doing a colorful water caterpillar.
We're doing a colorful water caterpillar.
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 Alrighty, so today we're doing the colorful water caterpillar. First, you're gonna need 6 cups or 5 cups or 4 cups or 3 cups. However many cups you wanna do. You could do a million cups. Any size cup that you want. And then you're also gonna need some paper towels, and we took them and twisted them already so they bend easy to get in the cups. Then you're also gonna need your favorite color food dye and some water. Alrighty, fill those cups up. Okay, let's count how many cups we've got here, BB.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, what colors are we doing where?
Purple first.
Okay, you want to only put a couple of drops in. Okay, what's next?
This color, pink. Looks like it's red.
All right, next color.
Blue. Next is green. Next is going to be red.
Your favorite color, huh?
Come on. Last is yellow.
Okay, now that we've got the colors all mixed together, you're gonna bend your paper towels and stick one end in the one cup and one end in the other cup. Alrighty, last one. Alright, now I have to let it sit for a little bit to see if it all comes up and mixes together at the top. So we'll come back to this one. Let's do another fun experiment.
This is a magic water bag. So you see that string up there? So we're going to tape the bag up. We're going to fill the bag with water, and then we're going to tape it up. We're going to stick the pencils through and then we're going to take the pencils out.
Oh my God.
People hold it. Hang on. I'm gonna put some towels down just in case we make a mess, but we shouldn't because the pencils are gonna hold the water in the bag, but it's better to be safe than make a mess. Alrighty. Okay. Stick it in right there. Oh, I didn't hold it. Okay, shove it through. Shove it all the way through. All the way through. No. Okay. Whoa! There's no water coming out. Crazy! Okay, get it over here. Or right there. What? Still no water. Oh, that was a good one. Okay, spread them out a little bit. Right there.
Good job. I saw one drip. What the heck?
That's crazy. Now the little drips of water because we were squeezing the bag and it was dripping out because of the pressure. Nope. That's it. Experiment proven to be true.
Okay, let's see what happens when you take it out.
Take it out, it's gonna make a hole. It's gonna drip. Pencils were holding the water in the bag.
Wow, it looks like a shower.
Wow!
Did you get wet?
Next experience, we're going to do a vacuum suction.
All right, for this experiment, you're gonna need a bowl or a container, a clear cup so you can see the water going up, a candle. We have a little short one, so we're gonna use this little cup to make the candle go up higher. And this is the part that you wanna have a parent or an adult with you, because you're gonna have to light that candle on fire and put this over the top of the candle. And you're also gonna need some food coloring so you can see the water go up, and some water. Alright, pour the water in there. Without making a mess. Alrighty, look, you can see it better. See how it's pulling the water up inside the cup?
Yeah.
Okay, now lift up on that cup just a little bit, not too much. Whoop! Look at all that water just sucked up in there.
That's cool.
Alrighty, should we go check on our colorful caterpillar?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go check on the colorful caterpillar.
Checking on our caterpillar.
Okay, what do you see?
All of it is like mixed up.
That looks pretty cool. Did it take a few minutes for that to happen?
Yes.
Is the paper towel soaking it all up? All the different colors?
Yes.
Alrighty.
cool.
And what's the most important part about science?
Clean up your messes.
Okay, are you gonna clean up?
Okay, let's pull these over here. This cool caterpillar. We'll scoot all these over here, and then we can dump them out. So dump them.
What about the paper towel?
Take the paper towel and put it in there.
Let's see all the different colors that go in there.
Ooh, that one's yellow, red, and orange. That one's green, orange. That one's green and blue. And that one's blue and pink. And that one's pink and purple.
Looks so cool. You can pour the colors in the sink and see what they all look like when you mix them together.
Just pour it down there.
Ooh. Wow. Color mess.
Let us know in the comments what experience was your favorite. Bye.